I remember the days when spending 30,000 on a laptop didn't get you much of a configuration. However, the time has progressed. There is huge improvement on the technology, as well as due to extremely high competition, the price is also competitive. In a nutshell, you may expect a good deal by spending 30,000 for a laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk 2021. My name is Somajit. I am extremely happy to receive so much support from all of you, which gives me a lot of encouragement to make a new video for you. Like always, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. Also comment if you have any suggestion. If you are planning to buy a laptop and not sure what to buy, this video is definitely for you. If you are following this channel, in the last year I have uploaded this video for you, claiming this is one of the best budget laptop under 27,000. The model name is Lenovo IdeaPad S145 AMD Ryzen 3 33200U. After using for around 6 months, I must recommend this laptop to anyone who wants to have a laptop under 30,000. I recommended my brother to buy the same model and he got it from Amazon yesterday. After setting up the Windows and Office, I thought of taking you through the differences between his laptop and my laptop, and you already know the reason by now what this video is all about by looking at the thumbnail. This video would certainly help you to understand why did I say that. I do editing in the same laptop, and trust me friends, I do not see any lag while editing or rendering the video. Here's some footage I have captured to make you all understand what is the difference. Both of the laptop has similar configuration, which is Ryzen 3 2.6 GHz dual core 4GB RAM, but I have added one SSD which boosted up the performance by 10 folds. Let me show you what did I mean. Let's check how much time this would take to boot up. Let's check the shutdown time as well. Let's open Google Chrome. Let's open Excel. So can you see the difference in performance? I believe now you would be able to understand the power of SSD. Post buying my laptop, I went to Lenovo Service Center and explained how slow my laptop was. The engineer was quite helpful and suggested me to just add one 128GB SSD and see the performance difference. And he was right, and the result is just in front of you. I spent 3,300 additional to install this SSD, and this laptop has a separate slot for this as well. So 27,000 for my laptop and 3,300 for SSD means in 30,300 I have got all this robust laptop. I have checked in Amazon, Flipkart and many local shops with this configuration. However, I did not find any laptop which comes with SSD and 1 TB hard disk drive in 30,000. Also, with this deal, there was no impact of my laptop warranty. I would put the details of this SSD in the description below. So I recommended my brother to upgrade his laptop also with the same SSD and enhance the performance. That's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please share this video with the people you know who are looking for buying a laptop in this particular budget. Also, please subscribe to my channel to make this family bigger. Thank you and see you soon.